Hey guys, this is Ashish and this is a quick review of the Dragon War GK001 gaming keyboard. Okay guys, this is how the keyboard looks after unboxing, and the keyboard is really well, it looks quite impressive and gives you that gaming feel. The name of the company is Dragon War and the model number is GK001 Desert Eagle gaming keyboard. The price of the keyboard is around 1090 bucks on Flipkart, but you can get it for 700 as I did using the app. So, Flipkart usually does discount sales on apps, so you can get it. The keyboard itself gives you the QWERTY keypad along with the numpad. It gives you the additional shortcut keys on the left and the right pad. You have the Dragon War logo upon the spacebar, and it gives you quite a good feel. See, the keyboard features out 8 blue LED buttons which are used for gaming. So the first set are the WASD and the second set are the arrow keys. The keyboard gives you a really good USB plug, and it also has the Dragon War Association logo on it, as you can see. Yes. Coming down to the extra buttons, extra additional shortkeys. The first one is for the email. 1 minute, let me focus. Okay, the first one, as I told you before, was for the mail. Second one is for your browser, which is the home browser. If you click it, you will probably Chrome or Mozilla will open upon based on your preference. This is your file explorer button. If you click it, my computer and your explorer will open. This is your calculator button. If you press it, calculator will open, and same goes with this. This is the mute button. Coming down to the right one, you have the play pause, you have the reverse, the forward, the volume up, the volume down buttons. And going down to the wire itself, the wire is quite good. It can be folded in any fashion you want. You can fold it down, up and down, you can do anything. And yes, you don't have any cracks upon it. My last keyboard got messed up because of that. I had really huge problem when I sorted it out and the keyboard stopped working because of the wire itself. So I'm really happy to look at it. So you don't have to feel embarrassed if you have these blue lit buttons. Some of you might feel that it's a little bit odd. So Dragon War, I don't know why I keep saying that, has offered us 8 additional buttons. You can see these. These are the black buttons which Dragon War has given us, and you know why it is given. You can pop it open and you can place a black one, and the keyboard itself, the total keyboard will be black then. So it is all based on your preference. If you like the blue one, it looks fashionable. If you like the black as a normal one, you can keep those. And coming down to the pad itself, Dragon War has given us this cool rubber pad, and it has a rubber finish, and it's really good. It is foldable, and the keyboard looks really well, but sadly the keyboard will not be placed in this way because the keyboard will not be kept in this way because dragging the keyboard becomes a mess. And let me brief you up about the pad. You have 3 openings over here. The middle one, I'm not aware of why it is given, but I'll make sure I'll get back to you on that. The left and the right are for the flaps which you have on your keyboard. You can see here. These flaps are inserted into the holes right there. 1 minute, let me figure it out. And yes, I have done it. And it goes like this. Your keyboard gets around, I don't think so it gets any additional weight or height with that, but it does look really well. And I'm sorry I didn't show you the cover itself. This is the cover in which I got the keyboard. The keyboard cover looks very impressive. It gives you that razor look, but it's Dragon Ball, and I'm happy with it because at this price I'm getting this much. You have the basic keyboard layout, the 8 caps additional buttons one. This is for your gold plated USB connector which you get it, and you have the basic information about the keyboard. You have the price over here. See, 1090, but I got it at 100. And this, you have the basic information regarding the keyboard. And guys, finally I wanted to make sure that I tell you that this is one good keyboard you can get your hands on. It is just for $1,000, and you could get it for 700 if you're lucky. And I'm saying that this is one good keyboard you can get it. See, thumbs up. It is one good keyboard, and it is quite affordable. It is quite good to look at, and even when your friends come and take a peek on that, they feel that he has a keyboard worth some 2,000, I think so, because everybody looks so astonished after looking at this, and they quite keep saying it that it is quite impressive. So guys, take it, and I'm sure that I promise that you will be happy with it. Peace out.